Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Pro, and I'll show you how to get into the recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to power off the device. Choose power off once it's visible. Tap one more time. And then once the device actually shuts off, we'll hold the power key and volume up. So let's do that. And as you can see, now we're in recovery mode. From here you can actually reboot the system, go into factory wipe cache, and turn the device into safe mode. And you can navigate using volume up and down like so, and confirm it with power button, or you can just tap on it like this. And okay. And now the device is actually rebooting like I selected, and it will be back on soon. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.